We'll wait for a few more minutes and then we'll start. Good evening, everyone, and welcome to episode 2 of Skillship Tech Talks, where we engage in conversations on skill development and placement process. So today we have with us is Priya Gupta, VIT alumnus from the batch of 2018, currently working at Shell, who is here to share her experiences from her time at VIT Vellore and after it in this session titled Life After College. So I also know her personally, and she was very helpful during my initial days at VIT regarding the branch selection and all. Without taking any more time, I would now like to request our guest to take the session from here.
Hi guys, good evening. I mean, am I audible?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, and you guys don't turn on your videos or what? Is it no? I mean, I know we can. I mean, if you're okay. Okay, somehow my electricity went off in the cafe I'm sitting. So how are you guys doing?
We are doing good. How are you?
Okay, doing awesome, awesome, and I'm, very excited to talk to you all. I'm not a speaker. I'm not a public speaker or something. I'm just here to talk out, and I want it to be interactive. So that way. So how are we going to take it further? I mean, is it just me talking, or how it is?
Hello.
Okay. I think I'm all getting my replies. I am getting to that college time back where it's like fine, doesn't matter. Anyways, yeah. So, by the way, which is the preferred language here? Like, how many people understand Hindi and English? English, I think everybody would be comfortable.
English.
Yes, ma'am.
English
English
is
is best.
best. Okay, fine,
Yeah.
fine, fine, fine. Okays, okays, okays. So see, I'm just your friend, okay, who has little more experience in what you guys are going through. That's all. So I would request if you are comfortable by turning on your video with whatever. I know you guys are at home and in pajama वगैरह में बैठे होंगे. I know if you can turn on, you're okay. I'm okay with that. But if you cannot, that's okay. So, yeah, oh, thanks, Nishan. Thank you so much. Thanks, Aditya. Thank you so much. Right? I mean, it's totally perfect. We can just talk. Nothing, no professional, nothing. So great. So I'll just keep starting. I'll just let it start. So no, guys, I'll tell you a little bit about me from the background I belong to. Everything, okay? Little small just. So I belong from a place called Haryana, state called Haryana, and in that the place Yamuna Nagar. It's small city. Anybody from Haryana, by the way?
Yes, ma'am. I'm from Rohtak.
Okay, fine.
I'm from
Oh, nice.
Faridabad.
Hi. क्या बात है? Nice. So, oh, great, awesome. So, nice. So I belong from Haryana and a very small city, Yamuna Nagar, if you have heard of. And so my father is a businessman, my mother is a housewife. I have an elder brother who was, who, basically he helped me in getting to engineering college of VIT. I basically never had an idea of VIT. कौन सा college है VIT का? Okay, so I was brought up with the thought that there's nothing, okay, in this city, there's nothing in this whole state or something. You just go get good marks, get good college, get good grades, everything, and get a good job and be settled. Okay, we don't have anything that you can pursue with. Okay, so and I could even feel that while I was growing up. Okay, and so I was preparing for IIT. Like I think all of you, IIT, NITs, whatever. Okay, so VIT was the best college I could ever get that time, and thankfully I went to VIT. Thankfully I went to VIT. So on 2014 I came to VIT, I guess. So which batches we are here? Like which batches are there? Nishant and Aditya, if you can help me.
First.
Karthik.
First.
Uh,
First
I'm a
year.
fresher.
Okay, who is a fresher?
Me, Aditya.
Most of the people. Me, Atul.
Okay, so
Yeah, we are the
I guess
second
many
great.
semester.
freshers are there
So
here.
I mean, we have great, awesome. So we have all the fresher, first year, second year, third year, all right. Second years, right. From it. Nice. So I came on July 2014. So VIT. I hope you guys can totally relate with me. The first time I saw VIT, I was like, wow, ठीक है, it's okay. I didn't get into IT. I was so happy to see the VIT buildings and all. Okay. Then later, today I'm able to speak in English in a very fluent manner. Okay. But if you would have met me back then in 2014, okay, I was just a kid from a college in a convent school, but nobody speaks English there. Okay. So when I came to VIT, all the peoples from Delhi, okay, Mumbai, Calcutta, then some friends were there from Nigeria and these Chinese people and all, right? So for a second, I felt, oh my God, okay, how will I even cope up with all this? For initial days of my first semester went in all this, just looking around, seeing everybody, thinking, oh, I also need to talk like this. I need to read books like this. I need to watch English series like Friends and How I Met Your Mother and all that thing. Okay, so that's how I started basically with my college, which you guys are in, and it's the best college, right? So how are you enjoying your college life, by the way? How are you liking it?
Not pretty much fun with the online
Aditya.
stuff.
Only study.
Oh,
Yeah, only studies.
It is very least interactive with this online thing. Desperately waiting for
And
college to
boys, I'm
open.
so sorry, girls never turn on their video, huh? Girls are anyway not turning on their videos. How are you even alive? Okay. So great. So so I was in this IT batch of 2014 to 18, and was never a coder and never liked coding. Everybody here from IIT CS or other branches are also sitting.
CS.
3S.
All CS?
Yeah,
No,
CS.
from IT.
Well, most
Okay,
of
fine.
us are from IT and
So
CS.
all of IT and CS. Wow. So all of you like coding? Like passionately you are a coders or what? Most
I just started to
no, right?
complete parallel fact.
Okay. So see, I totally love those guys who are coders. Okay, because I was not the one. I was just I learned printf scanner when I entered the college when I was in the initial first semester and all. So I struggled a lot in this coding wala thing, but somehow I knew that I have to get a placement. Okay, and some senior of mine told me there's something called Super Dream that comes in this college. And I don't know because I was raised up with a thought, as I told you, that get a good job, get a good job, get a good job. Okay, I had one thing in my mind. Agar if I have to get a job now, I cannot settle with nothing less than Super Dream. Was I a very good coder? No, guys. Okay. Today, I'm just telling you that I used to just do it just to keep the pace up with the people around me. Okay. Okay. But I was very sure that I have to get a super dream. Okay. Neither I had a good communication skill, neither I had confidence, neither I had coding skills. Aptitude was so low. Okay, aptitude, this thing. Okay, nothing. But I was very sure that I have to get a super team. Okay. So slowly made friends, made good friends, intelligent friends also I made, coder friends I made. Okay, and fun. And I just didn't made like it happened, and so everything was going by. Had relationships in my college. Okay, fun. Okay, emotional stuck days, and breakdown days. Okay, superb days, and not feeling good phases, everything. Okay, physically, things happened. Okay, then. By the way, I have to ask you one thing from you guys. How are your hair? How are your hair? You guys are at home these days. You would be happy about at least one thing, that you're not having the VIT water, right? So,
Yes, I've heard a lot
okay.
about it.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
all these things happen, and yeah. Oh, guys, oh, you have just heard it. I thought you would have experienced it, but no.
Juniors
Okay.
didn't still go to college, right?
So,
Like
okay,
after lockdown.
online classes, right? First semester, first year, guys, I get it.
Yes, yes.
Uh-huh. Okay. So, Nishant, which year you are in, Nishant?
I'm in Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu.
Okay, you're from Tamil Nadu, Coimbatore. Okay, which
Yeah.
year batch you are in?
I'm fresher.
First year, second year, third year. Oh,
First
you're a
year.
fresher. Okay, you guys are lucky. Yeah, you are. Okay, you guys are very lucky. Okay, you are saving up all your hair. Okay, this is one thing I want to tell you. So yeah, so all these days I had, and suddenly this year came, the sixth semester, the seventh semesters, when placements has to happen. Okay, so I slowly tell you how does it happen, but one thing, guys, I want to make it very interactive. Okay, I told you I'm just a friend. Whatever way you are sitting, okay, whatever pajama you are sitting with, whichever t-shirt or banyan or whatever way you are sitting, it's okay, it's totally comfortable for me. Okay, you are lying down on your bed, you are just phone like this, it's okay. I know it, how it, college days I remember. Okay, and Zoom, yeah, I know how it is. Right? So great. So what I'm doing today, I'll tell you. So after college, I got placed with a company called Shell, which I've never heard of. Okay, I never heard of this company Shell before. Okay, but it came as a super dream, and it gave a good package. It's a good company to work for, and one thing which I felt good about. Oh, it's the fifth largest company in the world. Okay, so I was feeling that okay, chalo, I have got placed in a good company somewhere. So slowly, I started working with it, and I have a very small experience as an intern with Microsoft in a project while working with them. So, so that's how it began. Okay. So, guys, how are you feeling? I mean, are you excited, or you are already gone?
No, we are really
It's a Friday
excited.
evening, by the way.
No, we are really excited to know
Okay, so
about
I'm sitting in a
what
cafe.
lies after college.
Right. Great. So I'm sitting in a cafe right now. Okay, I was already out. Okay, and I thought try to go home and connect from there. Boring place. Let's have coffee and then connect. Okay, great. So guys, any questions for me you have? Any random question? Personal life, no matter. Professional, doesn't matter. Any question you can throw me up. Okay,
Yep, I
I'll
have
just
one.
try to talk with you.
Uh,
Yeah, sure. Who is this? Aditya.
this is Shivans.
No, Shivansh. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You told that you had an internship experience with Microsoft. How to get like
Yeah.
internship offer from Microsoft? I'm really interested in that.
Okay. Who is not? Is there anybody who's sitting here who's not interested in getting, such company as an intern? So basically, Microsoft comes in college at around fifth or sixth semester of ours, and they offer this thing, in which they give you the first of all they go you through from a aptitude kind of test. Okay, in fourth or fifth semester they come, I think fifth, they go you through they make you get through a aptitude test, out of which some people will be selected, and then they give you a project to work on. And the best thing is, they give you the mentors of Microsoft also, right? So they will give you the employees of Microsoft to work along. So they will come to VIT, and even if it was home based also. After the college ended, after that semester ended, we went home. So all that happened. I mean, so that's how I was experienced with. So one thing, how to get into it, as you asked, aptitude. Okay, the initial thing they ask aptitude and the basic, no, objective questions. Okay, objective questions होते हैं ना जो you are Shivansh Yashasvi. Okay, so oops objective questions and aptitude would help you in getting to most of your companies. Most of your companies. Okay, objective questions of any oops. Okay, and a C also plus aptitude. Okay, most of your companies will get through. The first round is damn. Okay, so that's how I got, and after that, of course, I don't know. It was very unsure they were behaving. The Microsoft teams, Microsoft people, that we'll come again, and all that. And before that, only I got into Shell. Like when the placement things were happening. So, anyways, so that's how basically to get into any company. So there would be companies like JP Morgan who will be coming. There will be companies like Cisco, Microsoft. Okay, all these companies would come in your fourth, fifth semester or sixth semester, I guess, for your pre-placement offers, in which they will just get you through the some aptitude rounds and all, and then you take it forward. Okay. So
Okay,
any other
thank you.
question? I think yeah. Okay.
One
Okay.
small
So
doubt regarding this. You have said that most of the companies have taken according to OOPS and all. But then, is this
yeah.
actually implied right now in your life? Like when you're actually doing some work for
No.
the project, like
So sad.
no. So then why do they do this?
Yeah.
Like on what basis? Just because for
Even I
fil-
don't know why did I do that.
no, no. Why do companies do
Okay.
that? Just for
So see,
filtering, or is there any objective in their mind as such?
okay. See, if you ask, now I should ask a question from you, okay? Using rotational law somewhere these days, rotational law, friction law, then all laws in red, I don't know. Are you really
Physics,
using that
basically.
these
Yeah,
days?
I got it. So we don't use it.
Physics or even maths? Are you using pi somewhere? Are you using that thing called pi somewhere? Pi
No,
3.14 something something
no,
something.
no, no,
Are you using it somewhere?
not
Like
at
why
all.
did IIT did that? Okay, so there is, you know, there is few things they take for filtration purpose. Okay, wherein it's just not filtration about uh, the knowledge. It's also filtration of how much you are eager to learn, how much you are eager to pace up with the world. Okay, how much you are competitive,
Okay.
because there's nothing apart from competition in this world. Okay, so there are a lot of things. It's just not always. Yeah, I'll tell you one thing. From experience of corporate and also working with the people uh, very closely in my business project of CEOs, and they had been the CEOs, VPs, directors. Okay, so one thing which I want to share here is on this platform is that uh, no, I mean the these all these things that all these things which we study, or it's all designed by the industrialists. Okay, these are all to understand. Yeah, just understand for a second. Uh, how do you think the school syllabus is designed? How do you think? Who designed the school syllabus? Do you want to do a reverse engineering? How was it designed? Or do you want to even guess?
Maybe they just come from the higher
Who designs the
perspective.
school syllabus or college syllabus?
Maybe they just came from the higher place, like
Higher as in what high? Who
engineering,
high?
and then they came back to this one.
Education Ministry.
Oh, education ministry. Okay. Who told them?
Shivans.
Shivansh. Shivansh told education ministry.
Yep.
Achha, Shivansh was speaking. Okay. So, uh, see, I had been working very closely with these guys, okay, who had been the CEOs, directors, VPs of the company, and they are very closely related to the people who are the opening speakers of World Economic Forum. So, World Economic Forum, you guys are aware, right? What is World Economic Forum? Okay, it is. Go through it. Go through it. Okay, what is it? And I'll tell you, there is way better life, or a life which is above the technicalities, above the C, OOPS, Java, JavaScript, React Native, all these. That's okay. But there is a knowledge which lies above. Okay, so what these guys say that, so let's understand this example, that somewhere there's an industry where they're dealing with, let's take IT because we're all IT. Okay, let's understand you all are two entrepreneurs today, and we are opening up our own companies, or we are together working on a company, okay, building a company or whatever. Now we understood that if we want to scale it up, okay, if you want to scale it up, it cannot. We are how many people here? We are 38 people. Can 38 people become a company? No, right? No. So if we have to
No.
scale it up, we want to have a duplicacy of skills. Everybody should be skilled. Okay. Now we know that these are our projects, these are our softwares, these are our whatever. Okay. These are the requirements of the customers that we have. Now, now we want people who can work on these projects, because we, as us, as all of us, 38 people, core people of a company which is going to build like Amazon. Okay. So we are a core team of 38. Now, it's not us who will learn all the languages, JavaScript, React, Native, IoTs, big data, all. We will have to look all other aspects of businesses also, finances, legalities, so many things. So we would require people who would have skills, correct or not? Right? Now, that's where we design a curriculum that to enter into our company, we want these technicalities, these skills. And that's how it comes down to education. Okay, so today there are industries like steel industry, textile industries, okay, motor and automobile industries. These industries, there was a person with a vision to create such industries, to create such businesses. He doesn't, might not know. Today, Ratan Tata would not know, of course, automobile, textile, steel, nothing. But he knows how to hire such people. And to hire such people, there is a curriculum. So that's how it was designed. All our education is designed by all these industrialists. Okay? It has brought down to us through this industry. So our education system can never teach us how to become an entrepreneur. It can only teach us how to become an employee. Because it has come down to us from industrialists so that they can hire us. Okay, are we together? Do I have a
Yep.
trespass to speak honestly to everyone?
Yeah, sure.
Do I have a
Sure.
trespass to speak
Yes, yes.
honestly
Yes,
to you guys as a
definitely.
friends? Right? Yeah. Are we together on this page? How the education system is designed?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Correct. So that's how. Okay. Now, somebody asked me this question. Who asked me this question? That why do still oops questions are taken?
Me, I mean, yeah, there's so much.
Somebody
Mine,
asked.
Sukesh.
Sukesh. Yeah. So Sukesh, uh, no, a lot of things that we do to compete are they are not just the things which are used in the industries. Okay, not sure. You will use it or you will not use it, but they are required for you to compete with the people. I think I have lost the internet or what?
So what if, suppose, what if I
Am I
learn
there?
what the company does?
Ah,
So what if I learn what the company does in future
absolutely.
than learning what is now? Like, take two
Ah,
people, A and B, who learn. A is one who does OOPS, DSA, or something what
ah,
is required by the employer as a normal student. B
done.
person who might, let's say,
Okay.
take up what he actually does in future. Like maybe he has a friend or brother who does the work and he tells him this is done. So in that case, then who's more likely?
Okay.
Maybe, yeah. Whom
To
do you
be
suggest
honest,
me to
see,
be?
I like the second guy. I, I like the second guy, but the point is, the world doesn't run because of my or your my likability, right? The initial, see, our Sukesh, there's so many people who want jobs today. Everybody's, and especially after this recession. And one more thing I'll share at the end of this day is, just keep me getting back to the topic. But I want to now. I've touched up this topic of recession. So there's something called recession and there's something called depression. Okay, Have you guys know about this? The recession and depression? Recession, I think you guys
Yeah.
know, but depression? No.
Like this Corona
Okay.
time, like or
So,
some 2007, where there was recession and loss of jobs.
correct, that was just a recession. Last depression that came in was back in plague time, when plague happened. Okay, that was a time when plague happened, and that was a depression time. After 100 years, the depression is again there. It's just not recession. Okay, so how will it go about? We don't know. Okay? I can't even say that. But how do I know this? First of all, I told you that recently I was in a conference where I had to get to learn basically or listen to the people who are working very closely with World Economic Forum people. They are the opening speakers of World Economic Forum is a platform where people like Modi have just gone once or twice. Okay, that's how this is a platform which uh, which comes up with the idea of how to make the economy run throughout. Okay, what should be done, what should we do, kind of. Okay, so in this case, Sukesh, as you know all that, so competition is very high. Okay, competition is very high. Now let's suppose I know how Shell works. Okay, I know how Shell works, or any corporate for that matter works. I know everything, but I couldn't pass the competition. I couldn't pass the competition that was there of aptitude or whatever. I mean, stupid things, but yeah, I couldn't pass. Let's suppose aptitude, this. How will they come to know? How will I even get up? How will I come to the cream? I have to come to the cream, right? How will I come to the cream to at least let them know me that okay, I can do way above than what other guys are doing. Are you there with me, or am I not making sense at all?
No, I got you.
Yes, yes. You're there.
Yes, yes.
Right. So I personally like the second guy. I personally like the second guy, the type B. But that's not how the things operate. Okay, we have to beat this competition. We have to come up so that somebody can see us. We can showcase ourselves. Okay, till the time we don't have platform, we can't even showcase ourselves. Today, did you know me before this call? No, right? None. Did I knew all? No. Everybody needs a platform to showcase themselves. So this all these all these aptitude, all these exams, all these gives you platform to showcase yourself, to present yourself in front of the interviewers, basically. How will even you reach to the interviewers otherwise? Am I making sense, guys?
Yeah, yeah.
Yes, yes.
No,
Got you.
no, you guys have turned off the video. Huh? Am I talking so boring?
No.
Okay.
No, no.
Okay. So all you guys are apart from placements is that we'll talk about this or more. Any more questions you guys have or anything you're talking about? I mean, open
Yeah.
platform, open question, open forum, whatever you call it as.
Oh, I have a
How did
question.
you feel after going into corporate?
How did I?
How did you feel after going into corporate? You know?
Okay, okay. I'll tell you the day I got placed first of all. Okay, the day I got placed, the beautiful feeling. It was like I've won the world war free. Okay, because you know, right? I mean, so many people in VIT, so many people in VIT, and placement times are so bad times that your friend becomes a competitor. Your friend becomes like, how come he got placed? यार इसको तो कुछ आता ही नहीं था. He didn't do anything. How come he got placed? Yeah, before me. So such feelings you'll have. So such periods. The day I got placed was like I won already. I am won the World War III. Now slowly when corporate time started, it was good. Okay, uh, that World War III, of course, it diluted till then. Okay, because I knew there are a lot of people who are in Bangalore. So I work in Bangalore. So as I enter the tech park, okay, as I enter the tech park, it's like a lot of people are also coming. Okay, so anyways, it was okay. I felt okay. I was a little nervous to get into that company to have my first day and all, and slowly, I was having that feeling of corporate, where you attend meetings, where you have deliveries, where you have requirements from clients, you figure out how to do that, you have timelines, you have manager, you have colleagues, all that, all that kind of environment you have, and you have salary. Correct or not? You have salary. So till I was in college, I used to get 5,000 every month from my family. Okay, and I think you guys get more than me. Okay, so I used to get 5,000 every month, and that also I don't know how I used to save up every month 2,000. 2,000 still I used to save up. I don't know how. What a no. So so once got into this city called Bangalore, nightlife is perfect, and friends, VIT people were in Bangalore, and uh, and good salary at the end of the month. Okay, so shopping. So if you ask me, corporate life, uh, Karthik, corporate life was okay, fine. No, you go, you dress up nicely, you go to work, you sit on your chair, you sit on your desk, you have a laptop in front, and basically at the end of the day, you do the work, whatever it is, and you get it done, and everything makes sense. Everything, every work makes sense, every meeting makes sense, and you come back home, you do gym, you have your own life, you go cook, you do everything, and Saturday, Sunday is just partying around. Okay, house parties happening, then malls and this and that. So that's how, if you call it just corporate life, if I would be just corporate, I would be bored by it. But my life was above corporate. So that's why I'm still excited about my life. Okay? Otherwise, just corporate, it looks good initially because you get salary, you get paid for what you had been learning all your life of 23 years. Okay, 23 years, you just learn, exam. Now you are getting paid. Okay, so that is just one of the beautiful feelings. But apart from that, that's how it works. Guys, wake up, have your coffees.
Um, just like you said, that we have two types of skills. One in the academic, if two guys are coming for interview, one needs academic portfolio to clear to get filtered out of the rest, and the co-curricular part or the extracurricular activities which you have makes you in the cream layer. So what do you suggest? What should we focus on in college primarily? Building the academic portfolio better, or focusing on co-curricular activities?
Okay, what do you think?
Uh, I personally think that co-curriculum activities are more important, but like developing your speaking skills, developing your confidence of overcoming stage fear and everything like that. But I also realize that without getting a platform or without filtering out ourselves, we do not make it. We are not in front of them for them to see us of in their vision that such a guy exists or such a person exists. So, what kind of balance should be there according to you?
Uh, okay, so both are important. Okay, academics is important. So one thing I want to ask from you, if we are on the same page, why you were here in college? Why did you come to VIT? What was the reason behind you coming to VIT? Aditya.
Um,
Aditya, I think you asked this
yeah,
question for me, right?
yeah.
So what was your reason of coming to VIT? Sole reason. Not sole reason. Yeah.
Sole reason. Okay, even everyone was preparing for J. I could not get to that level, so I eventually had to
No,
come
no,
down
no.
to VIT. But
Same.
but the sole reason was to VIT has a good reputation, and it can provide a safe future,
Okay.
uh, and to develop
Okay.
myself,
So
of
let's
course.
suppose what. Huh, correct. Correct. Now let's take one example of uh, you have studying in the college like VIT where you get all the platform to showcase yourself. You have dance academy, dance club, music club. You have all these chapter clubs. All these things are there. Okay, but at the end of the fourth year, you're not placed. I'm not talking to you. Okay, I'm
Yeah,
talking
in
to
general.
anybody that you. Okay,
Hmm.
person doesn't get placed. Okay, may you get Super Dream Aditya. May you get
Thank you.
Super Dream. What Super Dream? You get the best job. Okay, so yeah. So let's suppose a person doesn't get through any placement basically. Okay, so how will it even feel like? So isn't it like the sole purpose of the college got defeated if the person has
Definitely.
come to college for a job?
Yeah,
Correct? Huh.
definitely.
So the point is, getting a job. If that was your reason of coming to VIT, there are see I have my friends who come to VIT who have their own businesses, who have their father's businesses running. They come to VIT just to have a degree, just to have that life, just to have that friends and all. Okay, for them, it might not be valid what I'm speaking. Okay, for them, yeah, they do study, they don't study. Okay, they enjoy everything. It's okay. But for us, people like who don't have those things at home, who have to get a job anyhow. Okay, for us, we have to study. Okay, we have to at least do something to get that job. Okay, so I tell you, not all the subjects are important. Not I have been telling this to Karthik also. Not all the subjects are important. Only few subjects are important, like DSA, then some object oriented
Programming.
objective questions. Okay, and practice of it, programming, then
Yeah.
competitive programming. All these things are important, and that's all. I mean, I think you guys are first, second year guys. So
Yes.
now I want to share one thing again. So, doing something new every day is very easy. But doing something same repeatedly every day is very difficult. Okay? So, and the people who do the same thing repeatedly to improve that one thing are actually the successful people. Okay? If you see, uh, no, I can go in details of it, but I'll not. So let me talk about the college thing here. So aptitude, okay, competitive programming. If we even program one program every day, you guys in first year, second year, right? One program every day, okay. If you
Yeah.
do your few of your aptitudes, okay, even 10 questions of aptitude daily, I know it gets boring. I know it's so irritating. I know it's who solves those kind of question. One train coming from here, one train coming from there. When they will meet. So, but yeah, it's important. So even 10 questions every day, and one competitive or two competitive questions, programming questions, good enough. But the point is, why so many people don't make it? Because uh, they, I mean, they want to prepare at the end more.
Not
Okay, that's
consistent.
also good. I was one of them. Okay, not consistent. But why to put it everything on the end moment? We don't know if
Yeah.
there will be 9 pointers, whether we will be having the SEM offs. Can we, we don't know what will happen during the placement times. That semester of placement, we don't know. So I was lucky one. I finished up all my all my credits basically in 7 semesters. I was left with ethics and values, and one stupid some subject I was left with. That's all. So I could focus more on the aptitude part that time. But let's suppose not everybody could finish up the credits in before the placement. They ended up with a lot of subjects in the 8th semester. Oh, sorry, 7th semester. 7th semester, yes. Right?
Hmm.
So, why to wait that time? Running from PAT office to SJT, from SJT to GD Naidu, then to PAT office. Why? Right? So, that is one thing, and that's all I would say. Okay?
Thank you.
The co-curriculars are also important. Aditya, it helps you to give yourself a self-confidence. Okay, having confidence in technicalities and having confidence as a whole are two different stories. Okay, having self-confidence as a whole means if I put my hard work on, if I go all in on something, I can do it. Okay, I might not know it, but I can do it if I put all my hard work on to something. So all these chapter clubs helps you to get out of your comfort. Basically, it helped me. So I used to do also the door to door. Okay, door to door. I used to do. Oh, I used to do this. Every class I used to go and tell about the event. I used to go to every class and tell about the clubs and chapters and recruitments. Was it in my comfort? Not at all. Not at all. I used to hell shiver sometimes because I remember going in third year, third year class, and I was in second semester. Third year is like sixth semester, and I was speaking, and they used to laugh. They used to, they hardly used to listen sometimes, but it helps you to get out of break that barrier. Break that. Okay, how does it even matter? Today, I don't know how much you guys are even listening, how much you guys are you already, you left your phone somewhere, you're connected from phone, left your phone somewhere, and you're roaming here, and I don't know, but how does it matter, right? So all this confidence is built up when you keep yourself on your knees or on your toes, on your toes. So co-curricular activities helps you to get out of comfort and helps you to talk to interact with a lot of people, with different kind of people, and it's never in comfort for a lot of people like me.
Yes.
Okay? Not at all, but has to be done, should be done. Okay, and VIT gives that platform. Other colleges might not give, but VIT gives. Any question? Any other question? Did I answer your
Thank
question,
you.
by the way?
Yes, yes, definitely. Thank you.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. So, other guys, how are you doing? Guys, are you there?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, we are there.
Acha, in this you don't have reaction? You don't have. Oh, you're there. Okay. Okay. Thanks. Okay. So I think we have a chat option also. So in case we can chat also. Okay. Then yes, fine. Okay. Any question? Any other question you guys have? Open platform, open questions.
Ma'am,
I have some videos for you guys. Okay. I'll.
ma'am, can
Yeah.
I ask you? Yeah.
Huh.
So
Yes,
I
Pramit.
need to ask that like there are multiple things that we can do. Like someone's are doing DSA, some are doing like open source coding and all things, right? So what is the most necessary aspect one should master to get a job into a super dream offer or something like a very big one? So what is the basic thing that one should be knowing?
One basic thing one should be knowing to get a job, get a super dream, right?
Yes, yes. Means that
Okay.
should be must.
So
Over it, you may do anything else.
that should be over it. You may do anything else. Okay. What do you think, Pramit? What should be that one? What according to you, what should be that thing?
Like many seniors used to tell me that the DSA and the coding rounds that are the must. Then HR interview and that's not so much burden they are taking. So like, is DSA one should master all the time, or should if it is not interested, then he can do like a web dev or something ML or anything else.
Okay. So I know one thing. Uh, so in corporate, right, as your project changes, your coding language changes. Okay, everything changes as your project changes. So they don't take another round of interview then. Okay, now we are moving from this language to this language. With platforms to DS. Okay, I didn't understand Priya. Uh, Maybe I need more of what you said. Okay, so I was saying that once we're moving from one project to another project, they don't take interview again. Because you know why they don't interview us again? when we do another project to another project to another project in college, because you know that you know basics. You can learn, you know, you know the syntaxes, you know the logics, you can do it, and you know the corporate culture, you can do it. Okay. Now, if you ask me what is that one thing that one should know, is a basic programming, basic competitive programming that one should know. And once that person is familiar of it, it's very easy to learn anything after that. Okay, if you even take DSA for that matter, if you're aware of the logics, DSA is not coding, it's all about the logic. It's all about the best practices, okay, algorithms, best efficiency algorithms, I would say, right? So, if you're aware of the logic part, good efficient uh, codes, good efficiency algorithms and logics, and you know the basic coding. It's enough.
So, ma'am,
And for
like
the
there
basic
are levels
competitive
of
coding.
problem, right? There are levels of problem, like easy, hard, and till what level one should be knowing. It should be able to do the hard sums,
Correct.
figure out which data structure and all, or must be okay with the
So
logic that
Promit,
how data structure. Yeah, sure.
Promit, you told that you are in second year, right? You messaged that you are in second year.
Yes.
Huh. So Promit, see, when I say do the same things again and again, having the consistent means doesn't mean that again and again every day I'll keep solving 2 plus 2 equals to 4. Okay? I have to move on now. That 2 into 2 is 4. I have to move on now. 4 into 8 is 32. Right? So, like today, you are in second year, and placements are going to happen after 1.5 year, maybe 1 year, 1.5 year. You have good time to level up your coding every day. Okay? It's not that sticking on, but don't look around the people, Promit. Don't look around what others are doing. Just keep improving your own self in terms of two things: getting onto better and better logic of a code, better efficient logic of a code, and of course, competitive programming. Competitive programming, there are a lot of platforms. You can go on Quora, you just type, a lot of platforms, Bitbucket, HackerRank, HackerRoad, a lot of things, CodeChef. Okay, just take one. Don't don't uh, don't have everything. Just choose one. Anything. Choose one. HackerRank, let's suppose. Very basic. I started from HackerRank. Every day, and it has level. Easy, tough, hard, whatever. I think I remember as far. It has levels, right? Karthik, you're solving these days HackerRank, Hacker
Yes,
something you're solving.
it has.
Yes.
It has level, right? So all these platforms are there to help you guys to level up yourself every day. Okay? Don't run behind the people. Arey yaar, he knows trees, he knows hash maps, he knows this thing, he knows that. I don't even know this. So let me do hash maps. Arey doesn't care, it won't help. Okay? It won't even help. So I know that I'm going through a course of HackerRank in which there is an easy level, medium level, whatever levels. Let me first complete this, and also let me uh, cope up with better and better logics of DSA. Okay, better logics of DSA, good efficient codes, something like that. And you know one thing, guys, everybody likes genuinity. So when any interview, every interview comes to you, and you are sitting in your interview rounds, okay, you would be able to tell a lot, but there would be places where you won't be able to tell, where you don't know at all. So just don't. One thing which I've learned is to not making up the things. Okay, not making up the things because they can make out like this, right? No, if you don't know, say I don't know, but I learn it. Okay, I learn it. I don't know. I don't know yet. I don't know everything, but I learn it. Okay, not everybody can know everything. It's IT. IT is a big damn world. Okay, so and they also don't know everything. They are struggling in their own jobs so that they are not getting laid off. Okay, guys, am I making sense
Ma'am?
to you guys or not? It's 5:45.
Yes, ma'am, definitely.
Yeah.
I had a doubt.
So
Excuse me.
yeah.
For past 10 minutes, I was not at the meeting.
Shashank,
There was a
yes, you
connectivity
can.
issue.
Okay.
Ma'am, like small doubt, I need to go to internship in our after my first year. Like if I have to go to an internship after my first year, what I have to do from now? Like for now, I know some bit of
After
competitive
your
coding.
first,
Like I used to participate in some contest, and now I'm working on that HTML, CSS, React kind of thing. So like, what are the
okay.
skills
So
needed?
what internship you are talking about, Nishant? As in
Like
summer
web
internship
development or app
or
development.
paid internships?
Like as for a year, there's like paid
Okay.
internship is easy and it's not worthy of like it's not worth.
Okay. So
So I
Nishant,
need
what is your purpose of doing internship? Why do you want to do internship?
to
What
sharpen
are
my
your thoughts
skills
on
in
that?
web development.
To sharpen your own skills. Okay. Okay. So in that case, basically, I would tell you one thing. I would suggest you guys one thing. I don't know if it works out. It can be done in study as a student in VIT or not. But see, I can tell you one thing that uh, there are a lot of startups. Okay, they want students. Okay, for some work of theirs. Okay, but these are the last things. Okay, these are last things because before that your academics also comes. Okay, you learn everything, you are a best coder, but at the end of the day, you're not able to sit in the interview. How does it make sense? But yes, if you have good time left with you, still, then you can take some projects from them. Okay, you can take some projects from them, or you can help them. You can basically you can shadow them. Okay, if your core purpose is to learn and not paid, you can shadow them. You can ask for their uh, how this project is working in corporate. What is a client requirement on this, how are you fixing it, all that, and then you try to do it on your own somewhere a little bit instead of doing the whole project, because as a student getting a whole project is very difficult in corporate, and getting any internship like BSNL ones, right? BSNL internships, are you aware of these internships, such kind of internships?
I don't know, ma'am.
No? Okay. No, these are just the internships which we. Okay, okay. See, these are just the internships which we take to write it on our certificates that we have an internship, and we pay them to get that certificate. Okay, so yeah. So if our core purpose of not is not just getting a certificate or some money or something and just learning, then that is one of the way it can be done. Okay, to shadow a project, and that can only be done through networking. So guys, now one more thing I want to share here. Nothing works in this world without networking. So if you feel that I'm the best coder in the world and I can sit along with a laptop and that's all, it doesn't work. Okay, only thing which is very important, even in college, even in corporate life, everywhere, is networking with the right set of people, networking around with your seniors, or LinkedIn is good way of networking. Okay, and leave LinkedIn. Yeah, you guys are online these days, na? Yeah, LinkedIn would be best. But let's suppose the college opens up, then start meeting people, and that's where this co-curricular this clubs and chapter comes in picture. They are seniors, and now you get friends with them, and now they share few things with you, what they are going through or what their projects they are taking up or all that. Okay, so your clubs and chapters not only uh, for getting out of comfort or something, it also helps you networking. Today I know good people in VIT of my batch, of of younger batches, of senior batches. Why? How? Only because unluckily, luckily or whatever, I was part of so many clubs and chapters, which I did only for a few months, and after that I was on I couldn't manage for so much, so I left it. So I just remained in one NGO at the end. It was juvenile care. So I was in ADG, Apple Developer Group. I was IEEES. I was in a very big event that used to happen in 2014 of VIP, was live event, live, LIVE. Okay, so in that all these clubs comes together. Is it happening these days also? Live? Anything called live? No? Karthik? Live?
No, I guess.
As far no, no.
Okay, fine. Okay, fine. So this thing was there live, in which all these clubs comes together and showcase themselves. So it was a collaborative event of all the clubs and chapters. I was part of that also. So because of all these things, it helped me in moving me out of my comfort, plus helped me know a lot of people. Lot of people helped me know, because that time I was not understanding life. That time it was burden. That time it was burden for me, going to classes, telling about the event, telling about all these things, preparing charts. My God, preparing charts, preparing banners, preparing posters, learning Photoshop. It was pain, but no, the one thing it helped me was getting to know more of people, networking. Okay, nice. So I want to. It's 5:30. I don't know. You guys have time. You are busy peeps. You have so much to do on Friday. You have to watch Netflix. You have to talk to your girlfriends. You have to talk to your boyfriends. You have to people who are good in cooking. They want to cook. By the way, how's your college from home going on? Let's talk. 10-15 minutes. Are we good to have normal casual call for 10 minutes, Karthik?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
And also project
How's the
reviews.
college from home going on, by the way? Hmm?
The entire class goes on saying
Oh,
present,
okay.
ma'am. That's it.
Even now also my class is
So then
going on.
huh.
I was just
Okay.
waiting for the attendance link to come.
Okay. So, nice.
Exactly.
Oh, okay. Okay, great. Awesome. Very awesome. Okay. Best times. So you guys are in relationships or not? Or just boring? No? You're enjoying the time or not?
Like how you are asking, ma'am? Like with computers?
Computers.
Like we don't have anything now. Like
Acha.
if you are in the college, we'll be having
Okay.
groups of people. We can hang out and like kind of things.
Okay. So how's sad singles, huh? Okay.
Exactly.
I
No,
think
not
Karthik
sad
is.
at all right now.
Nice. Great. So, girls here. Do we have girls here in this call left? I want to share something.
Yeah, ma'am, there.
Priya is here, Rishita is here, Samriddhi is here. Okay, Suvarna is here. Then, so yeah. So I want to share one thing here. See, girls, you have immense power to change the emotions of the boy. Okay, you have that power. Okay, so let's suppose, you know, a boy enters in a room or in a house or whatever. So like his day was awesome. Okay, his day was beautiful, but your day is not good. Okay, your day somehow didn't went good. You are pissed off already, and guy comes in, okay, and you are, and he's like, so what's up, Suvarna? How are you? And this and that. Don't talk to me, okay? That's it. His mood is changed. His emotions are changed. Okay, so you have that power, but we need to use it in the right way. Okay, so we are multitaskers, and I want to share one video. Okay, so Karthik, quick. So there's
Which
a
one?
video, the tale of two brains, the tale of two brains, the tale of two minds, the tale of two brains. Something.
Yes, yes. One minute, I'll share my screen.
Okay. Yeah. So boys and girls have different capabilities, different thought processes. And they have their own strengths and own weaknesses. Okay. So best thing that we can do is understand each other because we are two different personalities, we are two different species. Okay. We think
Is the
different.
screen visible?
Don't,
Works like that and runs as fast as that.
oh my god. Skip
We're going
answer.
to start discussing men's brains, women's brains, and how they're very different from each other. Now, I want to start with men's brains. All right. Now, men's brains are boxes. And we have a box for everything. We've got a box for the car. We got a box for the money. We got a box for the job. We got a box for you. We got a box for the kids. We got a box for your mother somewhere in the basement. We got boxes everywhere. And the rule is the boxes don't touch. When a man discusses a particular subject, we go to that particular box, we pull that box out, we open the box, we discuss only what is in that box. All right? And then we close the box and put it away, being very, very careful not to touch any other boxes. Now, women's brains are very, very different from men's brains. Women's brains are made up of a big ball of wire. And everything is connected to everything. The money's connected to the car is connected to your job, and your kids are connected to your mother, and everything's connected to everything. And it's like... It's like the internet superhighway, okay? And it's all driven by energy that we call emotion. It's just... It's one of the reasons why women tend to remember everything. Because if you take an event and you connect it to an emotion, it burns in your memory and you can remember it forever. The same thing happens for men. It just doesn't happen very often because, quite frankly, we don't care.
Yeah, that's all, Karthik. That's all.
Women tend to care.
Yeah. Yep. Cool. How was it? It's truth. Okay, it's truth. So we are two different species. The way we think girls is very different the way boys think. If you have any girl left still. Okay? It's very, very different. So we can't assume how come he can say that to me or how come she think like that and all that. Okay? They are two different. Best thing we can do is understand everybody. Okay, so there's a very best saying, it goes around like this. If you start understanding people, 9 times out of 10 they are correct. You know that? 9 times out of 10 they are correct. So one thing we should, least that we can do with the people around us, it can be called girlfriends, parents, okay, boyfriends, whatever, they are correct. We can only try to understand them. Okay? Understand. Okay? Yeah. So any question that's there for me, because I have one small video, 2 minutes video, okay, which is like, I like that video. Okay, so I will share that with you, but before that, do we have any question? People have already left, they want to have their beautiful evenings. Yeah, so but still, do we have any question?
Ma'am, I don't know whether you discussed now, like you have discussed in this meeting or not. like as far as seen in Quora, they are putting that VAD is best for academics and everything, but that is one thing, that is distraction. Like around 100% students, like there will be 3 lakh and 3.5 lakhs applications in VAD per year. So the 3.5 lakhs are almost brilliant minds. So at the end of the fourth year, not all the people will be coming out as expected. Like 90% of the students will be get distracted due to various reasons in the VIT college, especially Vellore campus. Like, is it that true, or how is it coming, and is there any ways to prevent that?
Yeah. So what is the question?
Yeah. Like in all the public sites, they're putting just the word distraction, and they're not specifying like what kind of distraction is that and how is it happening. They're just stating that VIT is well known for its distraction, like distracting the students, most of the students. And even one of the two professors said, advised me, be good. Like once you're going there, just see the academics and don't get distracted, and you'll be getting a perfect future for it. But they haven't explained about that.
Boring. Right? So boring. Don't you feel? Just focus on academics. Don't get distracted. And you know what? Distraction is good to have. If you distraction, I would take that example of conference. In that it was shared about this. In our normal lives, we get distracted very easily from our goals. So is it good to have distractions or not? Okay, how to cope up with this distraction thing? So it was answered that distractions are good to have, guys. Distractions are the only way you can revive yourself, where you can come up again. You know. So, but the point is how long you want to get distracted. Okay, don't get distracted for too long. If you get distracted for too long, the main thing doesn't remain the main thing. So let's suppose I know I have a cat. So still, do we have cats, or do we call them the cats? Okay. So let's suppose I have a cat tomorrow. Okay, or in next 2 days. I can't be distracted. Okay, I can't be distracted. And that's
Exactly, next 2 days you have a cat.
It's the next 2 days.
Yeah, it's next 2 days you have a cat.
28. It's starting from 28.
Okay. So we can't be distracted. Okay, it's like one day at least. One day is required to prepare for that exam, or so whatever. One day or few hours. You can't be distracted, and you would have imagined. I mean, you can see. I don't even have to tell you about this. When you're studying and after 3-4 hours you have exam, you can't even think of anything. You're all in, right? So when we know that there's some sense of urgency, we are very less likely to get distracted. Okay, when we know that okay, there's something coming up. So, uh, but you told Nisham that out of so many people, very few remains. Keeping the main thing is very important. Okay, that's why I asked you why you are here in VIT. If you're coming to VIT was to get a good job, get good placement, keep the main thing the main thing. Rest everything is a process. Rest everything is by default. Okay, keeping the main thing the main thing. Now let's go. Some people come to VIT. I have many friends. They came to VIT just for fun, just to have friends. They kept the main thing the main thing. Okay, and rest other things was come up, down, whatever. Okay, keeping the main thing the main, and following what's it called? Following not anybody but what's required. Okay, so we guys are the next generation, and I want to share. And we are guys are innocent. We haven't even entered the real world yet. Okay, we haven't even entered. We don't even know how does it look like or everything. I want to share one more video, quick 2 minutes video. Let's watch it and Karthik, the failing test, the falling test video.
Okay, 1 minute.
Okay, watch it. Okay, and I hope you enjoyed it the whole time.
Yes, ma'am. Lot of it to take from it.
मैं वापस करूँगा। Karan, I should face it. Try कर. Join the line. Very good, very good. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Very good. Yes.
एक बार जब मैं गिर गई तो लगा बस गॉन है, अब चांस नहीं इसका।
वी नेवर थॉट कि भी हम लोग को कि भी कुछ एक दूसरे को हेल्प कर ले, क्रॉल कर ले, कुछ एक अलग आइडियाज जो होते हैं ना, आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स थिंकिंग, वो नहीं थी।
ये रूल्स हमने बना लिए, खुद बना लिए।
अच्छा, और वो एक ही कंप्लीट करने के बाद अगर गिर भी रहे हैं तो वापस जा रहे हैं उसी क्यू में कि अब हम दोबारा से करेंगे। वो हम लोग हट रहे थे कि नहीं करना।
उनने ट्राई नहीं किया, अंकल आंटी ने। हम लोग ट्राई कर रहे थे। उनको डर लगा, उन्हें हार मान ली था। जब बड़े हो जाते हैं तब एक ही चांस मिलता है, हैं? कौन बोला? बच्चे हार मानते नहीं क्योंकि वो हार जाते ही नहीं।
तो क्या बच्चों को हारना हम सिखाते हैं? सर्फ एक्सेल, हार को हराओ।
Wow. Right? Like, why to be so adult, to be so serious about our goals? We have to give ourselves the freedom to fail. To keep trying, and know that okay, it's okay to fail. So what? That innocence is required. Innocence, that genuinity, that that attitude. So what? It's fail. So what? Does it even matter? Okay, so we are kids. We have to be kids. Let's not be so mature to not be successful. To just be mediocre. Let's not be so mature to just not understand that success only loves innocence. Okay, success only loves genuinity. Success only loves lot of failures. Okay, guys, love you all. I'll take your leave. Let's stay connected. Okay, let's follow each other on Instagram or somewhere so that we're connected or whatever. Okay, from number or somewhere I'll share my number, or maybe you can take it from Karthik. Let's stay connected. Let's keep meeting from here and there. Keep come to when you guys are here in Ghetto, whatever. If you are in Bangalore right now, we can meet. Okay, else whenever you are in Bangalore, we'll meet up. We'll have party. We'll discuss a lot of things. Cool.
Definitely,
Thank
ma'am.
you, ma'am.
Sure. Thank
Okay,
you.
guys. Love you all.
And
Sure.
Bye. Take care. Take care.
for a wonderful session.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.